If you want to try a tasty low ABV cocktail, keep watching and let's talk drinks. Hi everyone, so today is the day that I have to hand in my entry for the Ovant Low ABV or No ABV cocktail competition. So this is a twist on a drink that we have here at Non-Disclosure Bar called Business as Usual. I'm just going to do a low ABV version of it. Let's see how it goes. So I've recently received a pack of the Ovant non-alcoholic spirits. This one is the Verve, which is kind of like a gin substitute. So had a little bit of a taste of them. They seem really good. So I'm going to make a few videos of it. We're sitting here at Non-Disclosure Bar. This is my new venue that only opened up 3 weeks ago. And I'm just going to do this one off the cuff and then see how it goes. But I think it's going to turn out all right. So first up, I'm going to start with 40 mils or 1 1/3 ounce of the Ovant Verve. Next up, we're going to use 20 mils or 2/3 ounce of the Stash House Yuzu Liqueur. So at 20 mils, this is 29%. You're looking at less than half a standard drink in this cocktail. So you could definitely have a few of them and continue to drive. Next up, to add a little bit of sweetness to it as well, I'm using the Monin Cherry Blossom Liqueur made from the Sakura flowers. I'm going to do about 20 mils, 2/3 ounce. To add a little bit of sourness to balance out this cocktail, I'm going to do 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And last but not least, to add a little bit of froth on the top of this sour, I'm going to do 20 mils, 2/3 ounce of some Aquafaba. You can also use egg white, but we use Aquafaba here at Non-Disclosure and at our 18th Amendment bars as well. Some ice. Give that a really good shake. Gee, that smells so good already. Always make sure that your glassware is chilled. Delicious. For my garnish, I'm just going to use an orange twist, but I'm going to discard it just to add some of those essential oils from the orange across the top of the drink. And there we go. So what am I going to call it? Let's call it the Sakura Sour, okay? Because the Sakura flowers are the cherry blossom flowers that are in this cocktail. Let's give it a try because I actually haven't tried it. I just made it up off the cuff. See if it's worthy of entering in a comp. Yeah, that's great. Perfectly balanced. That yuzu is coming through. I love that. The Ovant Verve is definitely in the background there, which I can definitely taste it, which is fantastic. The cherry blossom, the lime, that's something that I would put on a menu. It would sell straight away, like absolutely no problem. Oh, I'm going to enter it, see how I go. So guys, Ovant, check it out. If you're in Australia, they're from Margaret River. I'm not sure exactly where we can buy them, but I'm going to look out and put a link for the website. Pretty good stuff. So guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.